You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is the name of this accessory from Apple. If you want to learn more vocabulary from tech that is often confused and mispronounced, stay tuned. We're at generation 4. AirPods, British English pronunciation, AirPods, as in AirPods Pro 3, AirPods Pro 4 in American English. However, in the United States, they are generally pronounced as AirPods, AirPods, AirPods. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.